Hi, we have this HP Elite X2. The customer says it has password and a BitLocker, so we'll try and then unlock the password from the BIOS and then unlock the BitLocker also. So we have to turn it on and see. The key to the BIOS is F10. Okay, so we are going to the BIOS. We have the administrator password. Okay, so let's try and boot the machine and see what else do we have. So Alt, Control, and then delete. So let's see. So that's the BitLocker. We can't get into the machine. Okay, so we have to turn it off and then open the machine, get access to the BIOS chip, and then unlock the machine the hard way. Yeah, so let's detach the keyboard and open the screen also. That was easy. Check what is connected. So we disconnect the battery. And the screen cable. There's a little glue. Okay, and then the touch cable. You have to locate where the BIOS, the firmware chip is. So this is the main firmware chip. So we remove this and then install it on our programmer and see what we have in the bin file. That was easy. Alright, so we launch software for the programmer. So get ID and then read. Okay, so this is the file we save on desktop, new folder, X2, and then we save it. Okay, so it's a 16 megabytes file. Yeah, so in this file there is a place where the password is hidden. So if you want to know where the password is hidden, you have to, contact me, then I'll show you where the password is hidden. So we have the unlock file, we drop and then write. Okay, so take off the chip and then place it back. Clean with cotton, bag with a lot of alcohol. Yeah, so we put everything together and then check if we've been able to unlock this device. So we install the screen. attach cable, and then the battery. So we see if we can enter into the BIOS. Press F10. Okay, so now we can get into the BIOS. So all what we need is to run a new installation. Yes, so I have my Windows 11 here. So we insert it and then select the booting options. So we have to set the pen drive first. It needs to be restarted. So F9 for booting options. So we boot from the pen drive. And so this is the drive. We need to format the drive, delete all the partitions, and then next. So finish, reboot. So let's see if we have the lock on the drive also. Let's see. So now the customer is happy and then the machine is ready to go. Yeah, so we have to set it up and we are good to go.